Before attempting any service of the SkyWater 14, make sure that the machine is off and unplugged from the power outlet. Begin by sliding back the top panel in order to gain access to the main assembly. You will remove a total of 13 screws in order to be able to access the relay board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Once you remove the 13 screws, lift off the front door. And lift off the black assembly to gain access to the relay board. You now have access to the relay board and the main board and sensor board. The ventilation fan is located in J204 on the relay board. It leads from the front of the relay board to the back outside of the machine. The ventilation fan. Replace the ventilation fan by disconnecting J204 from the relay board and unscrewing the ventilation fan. Once unscrewed, the ventilation fan and grill are easily removed from the SkyWater 14. Follow the same procedure in reverse in order to complete your replacement.